Hello Year 2C. So today we are visiting from my living room back in the UK. We're going to look at millimeters. Okay, so we're going to measure the volume of these liquids, water, in millimeters. So here is the only measuring jug I've got. So there's probably going to be a few more that are a lot simpler than this, but it does show litres and milliliters. Okay, let's see what's on this side. There we go. So on one side I've got pint, okay? Don't worry about that, that just used to be a different way to measure volume. We're going to look on the left. Right, and we've got it going up in milliliters, okay? So we've only got it up to half a litre, so it's quite a small jug. So that would be 500 milliliters, okay? How many milliliters would be in 1 litre? 1,000, right. And so a quarter would be 250 milliliters. So whenever you're measuring, you always start looking at the bottom and work your way up and count. And sometimes it's useful to see it like a number line, okay? So let's start with the first one. I'm going to measure my first cup. I'm going to pour it in. Try not to spill it. Just wait for it to settle. And got to make sure you're at eye level as well. Right, I think that's actually, if we look on the left hand side again, that's on 200 milliliters, isn't it? Yeah. You might even say 190 milliliters. Okay, because do you see this line here? That line? That's going to be 150 milliliters. Because it's halfway between 100 and 200. But I would say 200 milliliters. So I'll pour that back. Let's go for my next one. Go. See, it's going to be less, isn't it? Ooh. That's actually... It looks like it's a bit over, but from where I am looking at the jug, it is actually exactly 100 milliliters. Okay, let's pour that back in. Feel like I'm part of a cooking class here. My last one. It's definitely got a bit more, hasn't it, than the first one. Right, let's see. Yep. And this one, looking on the left again, it's higher, so 100, 200, quarter. And a quarter of a litre is 250 milliliters. Okay? Or you can even work that out by just thinking what's halfway between 200 and 300. And it's 250. Okay?